Hi students, welcome to computer lecture class. Today we are going to discuss about layer task. First, what is a network? Network is a combination of hardware and software that sends data from one location to another. Here we need to understand what is the meaning of data sends from one location to another location. For example, we can think we have two devices are there, one from left side and one from right side. When you want to transfer the data from left side to right side, it is called as communication. It is a combination of hardware and software can accomplish the task. The task is transferring the data. It is called, so while we are transferring these two, we can understand that these two are in a network. When these two are in network, then only it is possible to communicate both these two devices. Otherwise it is not possible to communicate. Next, we are going to discuss about layered task. We use the concept of layers in our daily life. As an example, let us consider two friends who communicate through postal mail. The process of sending a letter to a friend would be complex if there were no services available from the post office. Means if it is not possible to transfer the data, means a mail or post, there is no post office. It is not possible. That is the meaning of the statement. It says if it is not there any service, it is not possible to transfer a message from one friend to another friend. So topics here were discussed about sender, receiver, carrier and hierarchy. Now by seeing this picture, you can understand very clearly what is the layer task. Now see, before we discuss, a layer is a simple example. Task is involved sending a letter. See here we have three layers are there. Lower layer, middle layer, higher layer. So how I can segregate? These are the lower layer, middle layer, higher layer. See, sender side we have three layers are there. Same as in the receiver side also we have three layers are there. In the sender side, now what is the process, like step by step process is involved to transfer the post from one end to another end. If I want to send a message to my friend, so I have to write a letter first. Once the letter completion is completed, then I need to put the letter into post box. When the postman will comes and take the letter and carries that letter from one source to another destination. There another postman can receives the letter from the post box, from the post box to particular person, from the person he will receives the letter, he will read the letter. This is the layer task. Now you can see how exactly it will happen. With the help of this diagram we can understand task involved in sending a letter. Sender, first the letter is written, put it into envelope and drop it into mailbox. Like mailbox is nothing but post box. A sender, a sender wants to write a letter. For example, think that X wants to write a letter to Y. X can write the letter and put it into envelope and keep it dropped into mailbox or post box. From the post box, from writing the letter keeping into post box, it is a higher level. It is the higher level. Next, the letter is carried from the mailbox to post office. Who will carry that? A postman will carry the letter from mailbox or post box to post office. This is the another task called as middle layer. Last layer, lower layer. See, the letter is delivered to a carrier by the post office. Here carrier is nothing but carries the information from one end to another end. So that is why we are representing here The parcel is carried from source to destination. So from source post office to destination post office. The letter is delivered from the carrier to the post office. The carrier can carries the information. Here the information is nothing but letter. He delivers the information into post office. From the post office to post box, the postman will carry the information. The letter is carried from the post office to the mailbox. Then from the mailbox to the letter is picked. The receiver who actually to whom want to communicate, the receiver can receive the letter. The letter is picked up, removed from the envelope and read the information. This is all the involved in a task called as layers. So you can observe very carefully. Here we have a three types of layers are there. See what are the layers are available in the left side, same layers are available in the receiver side, but the process will be happened sender side top to bottom, whereas in the receiver side it will be bottom to top. Now you can understand, the letter is written, put it in an envelope and dropped in a mailbox. Second one, the letter is carried from the mail box to post office. The letter is delivered to the carrier by the post office. Now the parcel is carried from the source to destination. The letter is delivered from the carrier to the post office. The letter is carried from the post office to the mailbox. The letter is picked up, removed to the envelope and read the receiver. This is the process of transferring the information or transferring the letter from one end to another end. It is called as layer task. Hope you understand, students. Thank you. Thank you, students. Bye.